തന്നെ നമുക്ക് കാണാം. എയർപോർട്ടിലാണ് പോകുന്നത്, നൈസ് എന്ന എയർപോർട്ടിലേക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, എയർപോർട്ടിൽ കാണാം. I'm really sorry guys to barging into the video. I just want to say something about Turkish visa. Like when I reached Dubai, I literally didn't know that I was going for Turkey, so I didn't have the visa prior. After reaching Dubai, I just searched in the Skyscanner and the other website from Dubai where is the cheapest flight I can fly with the less visa regulations. So like when I saw like it was like Turkey which was issuing e-visa on behalf, like if you have your US visa on your passport, you can get e-visa. So I just googled it and I just saw the Turkish like a website, e-visa website, and I just like entered my all details. It asked $40 for the visa and I paid that with my card. So instantly I got my within 10-15 minutes I got my visa. And apart from that, you'll get 15 minutes. I booked the flight tickets with Jordan Airlines from Dubai to Istanbul. Because Jordan Airlines, like it is from Dubai to Amman to Istanbul. Like it's a 2 hours flight, 2-3 hours flight to Amman, and from there it was around 2 hours flight again. I booked the ticket and it was around $130. Yeah, it was around $130. And finally, like after booking the ticket, I went after 2 days I went to the airport well before, like my flight was at 8 o'clock in the morning. I went to the airport literally at 12 o'clock. So I had my PCR test. You need to have the PCR test and the vaccination certificate to enter Turkey. That's a must, guys. 72 hours PCR. And apart from that, like when I reached when the boarding started at around I think 4 o'clock something in the morning, so they asked me the return ticket. I never booked a return ticket to any country unless they demand it. I started like arguing with like I have my all stance, like I'm going to come back, I'm not going to stay in Turkey. But he showed me that you need a return ticket, so I booked a return ticket instantly from there in front of him. And apart from that, there is one more thing which I never knew, that we need to register into the Turkish Health Ministry, that is HES code. We will get an HES code, that is QR code you will get once you register, entering all your passport details, flight details, like everything. So when you are landing, those details and all, you'll get a QR code with a certificate, and that QR code you need to submit while checking in. This thing I didn't knew it. So when the check-in guy said that it took only 10 minutes for me to log in, and from my mobile I entered everything. I got this QR HES code certificate. I submitted to him, and checking was the checking was done. So return ticket and the HES code is must. You need to register into a Turkish Health Ministry website. And after reaching Turkey also, it's very important, like to get into any bus, you want to travel to anywhere, or you want to go for any mall, they will ask for this HES code. So this is a must before going to Turkey. Don't forget, guys. So just register into the website. So I'll try to give the website in the description where you need to register, so you can do it by yourself. There's no need for any extra personnel to help for you, anything. Okay, that's it, guys. So continue with the video. This just information I just wanted to give because I missed while blogging this. And Turkey is a great country. Yes, there is a tourist trap everywhere, and but still the food and all, it's awesome. The nature is awesome in Turkey. So subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. So watch the full video, guys. It's going to be very awesome. Okay, enjoy the videos. Hopped up from the train and I'm just walking towards the boarding gate. Duty free shops everywhere. It's very famous worldwide. Dubai duty free shops. got down in Amman Airport to Jordan, the interconnection from here to Istanbul. As you guys know, I boarded the Royal Jordan Airlines, and Amman Airport is huge. It's in shape of U, and I was one end and I need to go for other end. In between, they check your RT-PCR and the visas. Apart from that, there is a strict security checking, like everything they'll check from your hand baggage. You need to pull out everything out, and I'm just walking towards it. I think the boarding has started. I can see that the time is already up. I'm just hurriedly walking towards my gate, which is on the far end of the terminal. Officially in my 17th country, Turkey, Istanbul. So I'm going out. I got my luggage and all. Immigration was super clean. There are no questions asked. Just stamped and asked to go. That's it, guys. I've been walking all the way. So guys, there is a bus service from the Istanbul airport towards the city, different parts of the city, that is called the Havista, and it costs around 35 lira. And you can find a couple of kiosks outside the airport, just outside the airport, for the ticket towards Taskim Square. And the bus you have like frequently 1 hour to every parts of the city, guys.